Good day, everybody. Welcome to the first video in a series of videos that basically walks you through how to program in Java programming language. Specifically, these tutorials walk through the AP Computer Science course that uses Java as its programming language. What we're going to do in this video, really short, just going to let you know what you need to go install and where you can grab it. So it's pretty simple. Everything's free, and all you really need is one download. What this one download will take care of is these two items over here, and possibly, if you don't already have this on your computer, it's going to install that as well. So the first thing here, the Java Virtual Machine. All the code that you're going to learn, the code in Java, is going to be converted to Java bytecode, and that Java bytecode has to be processed by the Java Virtual Machine. Almost every PC, Windows, and Linux now comes with this installed already, so I'm not even going to worry about it. Like I said, when you go to install these two items, if you don't have the Java Virtual Machine, it's going to end up installing it. Now, what you actually need, well, you could just use Notepad to code, but it's actually a little harder. I like this program called NetBeans. It's called an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. Sounds really tricky, but all it means is it helps you along with your coding. It can give you hints, and it'll even underline when some of your code is wrong, and well, you'll see when we use it how it works. The other thing you need is, since you're actually going to be coding in Java, not just running programs but actually making the programs, you need something called the Java Development Kit, known as the JDK. Now, these two things installed, and that's all you need to do to get going. Where do you grab this stuff? Well, these two come as a bundle from the people that make Java, and that can be found here in a nice little Google search. So in Google, I just keyed in NetBeans JDK bundle, and you'll see here, after I did my search, the very first one here for me is good, and it says Java NetBeans JDK bundle, Java with NetBeans. You want one of those. The website it's going to take you to should involve the name oracle.com, the people responsible for all the software. And you'll get a page that looks something like this. It obviously changes over time, but you choose your platform. You'll see they're big, 200 to 300 meg, and you install your bundle. Now, really, I'm not going to do that for you here. You click, you download, it installs, and you should be good to go. And once you're good to go, what you should have on your desktop is you should then get the NetBeans IDE icon. So your goal is to get that NetBeans program on your computer and working. And when you double click it, obviously it should open up NetBeans, and that's where we're going to start in our next video. We'll take a look at your first program in Java with the NetBeans IDE. Thanks for watching.